Kraiha Aveno, Bia Ponchini Nyaine, then Chia Yaton, our Honmu ye pa, na yasi ade, Abeba Mwayi Emono, and in Yabian Kofoba Betwana, Yabano Bofo Boa Pro, Echo Honomo, na Womo dear, Woma Tuntum Bieno, as you say, Womonya Mwana dear Yana, upon the my phone Baba, her womuntino, Yarabian womunum, and Koso Sadie, and Kawase Womo Ehuno, Emunsem, any.
Business no dia okay the Rebecca say alhamdulillah, but since you started by market no dia among for months starting by
you say nantwi so ya hodo pii na wa ha te se kese ya ogina hoyi ana you say enkoto aso wo enti prices na te se kese we pa obi ba so wotawdo be manese
we dia ni last price dia me nya no 500 a meji
na e bank to no so
enkito no susu ebia ni bo eno ebe from 60 70 80 but upedia boa dia usu beto o ekito akura o nama this is from 7500 8000 eko sa area no enye nkran na e north nti sesi asusu hwe mo no susu a se anka yere o musu a obehu se ye mo we susu a yere o musu so far susu ye mo no susu ya eno na ekun ninam no ediko big shops no so far as ye won kran ya nti se obia wi enam ato enam se big shop bi awi ena onya affectment bi nisu ye mo no de o mu ni area bia because ye mo no de o mu 100%.
Business na ekosen
oh business na ekoye obia ba na so bo ne price a na wa ka se scan ni ho obia ba bo ne price scan ni ho obia ba bo ne price scan ni ho ndi sala ne de ye um sa menyo sa sala ne 77 products abede afi de mo din dodo mo din because of last year krampo na de mo ba ya krampo matoto chen yiye oyi last year de ba ya na mo fa ba to ama mo no krampo ashoto ebi no abare hwe wo hwa mechi se ya mo no nko a na e wo ho no no hwe kwa no so e mo nko a obi anu ayeto
mo no betimi de FM from kotwa kosi kese prices net
it depend usika e mo no 4000 or your 5000 your 6000 8000 10000 12000 oh yeah the sanity the better na for yejima ope krampo betimi wo be ba check o mo because e mo no ya yam fa mo free no fa amba ha e na e beton o mo yenye o mo ha getting to 3 years ni o mo be bi fa ko veterinary be hwe o mo Mama adua na omu bibia
nantwe no osese wonni sika kra no de ne boofo kra no ye ka ne sika 70 million ye nde sika 7000 Ghana cedis na de obenya ne boy den pa okura achacha kese no ye 50000 Ghana cedis and 70000 Ghana cedis enwan for no so say do ye ketekete kra de obenya no ye 1500 Ghana cedis ekosi 6000 Ghana cedis midin e de selasi amu adom kase
my talk asiano so na yanko enyinama nsemu eye energy sector no one way abnimu 2023 Ghana Energy Awards no wonbota yenyina ne se one more ebehye one more client and as stakeholders no eden na de womo to bia no benya mfaso nso ede free mo so for be de kire ya wo hwe energy so Andrew ejapamesa ne de nsemi etuja.
Government's vision for a just and equitable transition framework is a bold one that aspires to discharge our international obligations in the matter of climate change and a move away from fossil fuel use. Under the leadership of Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe, Minister for Energy, the ministry is positioned to drive the President's vision, not just for energy transition, but for the energy sector as a whole.
Abasubodi adwumadie wachechemu aduonum yensa ya wobesi akan ewomu enum die enya akansi esenti obebi ato honom a wamo edimu akotene no ebetimi apre abasubodi ehu titere ne awoda abedwafo ano eyekwa amedwanto a na wodanu disembi etudwa
sa wohwe a sa energy awards we no eyesnonko ne snonko ne sen ye frɛ bibi energy transition enam climate no aye basabasa ninti. It looks as if say oil no contributed to climate change no.
Event director engineer Henry Taino no ni Adom kase etwetwe enkomo.
The Ghana Energy Awards is more than just a award scheme. It is a mission and a vision and a movement. It is a platform for showcasing the best of the Ghana's energy sector and advancing its development and transformation. It is an opportunity for us to say thank you all to who are making the difference in the sector every day.
Pan-African Savings and Loans ekua warmo mame ne Ecobank nene warma power mama program ho ntoma wonbota nyina ne se ma na womo sikakrabia we ode be hye womo edene sabeya womo so matitu enyuma hodo a womo yenso ombenya sika na faso baso amu adwuma tumpon Adom kase ko senhyem de ase etwaso
Inti se pese ye boa no munya account no munya hwe mankasa sika so no mankasa ehye nya omo pese omo ye women empowerment as we call it no mankasa hye nya omo pese omo ye inti o mankasa na fa omo take omo decisions ewo nya omo pese omo ye inti ne se ye boa na ye nya ma pia omo bewo account ewo bank
Saranam a program lead awo no ene damama program no ano no kyerɛkyerɛ nhyehyɛ da wono mu a obi ebefa so a obetimi de ne ho ato mama dwumadie yi so bi oni Adom kase atwetwe san komo yi
mama program no channel na odi be join mama program no eye mienu either say obeba banking hall no express ya ka kyerɛ say oh mati mama program na se me pese mo boa me na me I develop my business enti no mumbi account na mo fa me nka ho that's all or the ID card, Ghana card, ebeba, or the passport picture, beba, ni ebi account amano.
Enwechi and a director of payment services, ya wano ne bejina mu ema, penimpa be de chira, Oda Bank of Ghana no Clarissa Kudowo. Editu just say, ADB njishe mubi ya ye echra se, ema wamodi wonho eshe edwedie mu, ensheda enni nimdie mapa efa won sikasa mu ho. Isendi se dwumedie yi ebeboa atenetere wamo ewo saa kwan no eso.
A recent study conducted in March 2020 by the African Development Bank confirmed that although female entrepreneurs dominate key growth sectors such as agriculture and the textile and garment industry, they lack access to critical funding. This gender-focused program has therefore come at an opportune time.
Afọ abedi achire ya wo share tourism and arts culture so orama kokrekumanti sene Ghana yene eye France abano e de nsa ahye asia pamase e wotitu anwumto mu sebeya enwumto eye music industry o my Ghana mu no e begina ne na so ye Adom kase etwase
ti hia technical know how machine cry yes adwuma na equipe record how many minutes how many seconds will be used to artwork and all of that you know the right ones to have collaboration with the government, Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture. How adwuma nkasa ye no ye o baby no this time omone ne baba ye nyese ye kan obukum na bribi ne aye omone ne Ghana ha ombeba the experts in France aba abekire yen
Chief Executive Officer no Eneda Creative Art Agency ano Jankroma Akufo Ado enso editu dwa se womo ehun se Ghana music industry no manfo a womo eye nwuma yi womo banbo ene omusika sem no aya na akoye de wo enu nti na womo sutu anamon ekofre France for so mo beba beboa.
I think it is the how knowledgeable our artists are on producing their own work. You know that there's a huge knowledge and skills gap in what they should be doing and how up to date they should be with their counterparts in the rest of the world. And when we saw this gap starting to continue to widen, we knew that we had to act.
Opening back on France foi ebaye Severin Peters editu dwa se anamo a France foi tua sese oba France omanfo etunwum wo ho womo eko onenim ewo womo esikasem ene de ekeka ho no sanim de na ana omo de be pia Ghana fo echi.
In Ghana, they are missing editors, which are the link between the artist and the companies like SACEM, in order to make to be the link between them. And that is the job which is missing right now in Ghana, and we intend to strengthen and to work with people who would like to have this position in order to be this link and to help to.
Also for ya one na share nwumasuan so de to awofo no abatan no manim say ye mano de akra no enimu ye osusuo so obetumi aye ne beboa ne da chene no yen tan kwada na chi no mu no sa botaye no ho emfa bibi nhye ni tirim say wo meye doctor meye nurse be wi achi obekọ ho de nso esansanya dia ewonu mu nti no nwunan wokum nipa na niema bi sisi de tiase a eni enso nene fifth graduation ceremony of course so Brain Hill International School ɛna already nsɛmi ɛtudwa.
I'm super happy that I got the opportunity to come here. Our schedules are so that sometimes you may be thrown off, but I wanted to come here and to have the opportunity to celebrate the accomplishments of your children with you and to encourage you to do more. Speak greatness into the lives of your children. I know you are doing that, but do more, don't do less. Don't get frustrated by the child and begin to say things that are not something printable. Find a way for them to feel motivated. And they come home with grades that are not what you expect and below your expectation. Find a way to communicate with them so that they can go back and do more.
Dr. Yawose Duchum Ekasa first term education hono and some say eno di tu dwa na dwinchire mu no se Ghana fo nyina ede won hoji mu a ebeboa.
We are going to ensure that Ghana does not lose out on this place in the world by forgetting about STEM. We are in the 4th industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution was the invention of the steam engine. From there we went to the second, the invention of electricity, introduction of it. Then from there we went to computers. And now we are in the 4th industrial revolution, where we are looking at the fusion of the electronic with physical. We are looking at artificial intelligence. It is projected that within the next 10 years, in a number of countries, 40% of all jobs will disappear.